Hi, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you how I make this nice good stew. I made it in the oven instead of on top of the stove. It's instead of beef, it's got pork chops. Very delicious. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, you're going to need a small package of thin, boneless pork chops. Okay, what else we're going to need is a little bit of soy sauce, because you want that on your meat to give it some nice, good flavor. That'll be good enough right there. Next, you want to kind of season it with some steak seasoning. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is optional, but I think it helps it smoke, liquid smoke. It gives it a little bit of a hickory little flavor to it. Like that'd be good. Okay, the next thing we want to do, you want to use some French style green beans. You want to try to drain most of the juices you can off it. If there's a little bit in there, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Okay, the next thing you want to do is add slice carrots to this. Okay, the next step you want to do is add a full can of diced tomatoes in this. Alright, we'll come back. Okay, next step, we're going to use some black olives here. Now, I'm not going to use the whole thing, but I'm going to use a little bit of beef stew in this mix. This will help with a little bit of flavor to it. And not a whole lot, like I said. That's pretty much enough. Okay. We're going to come back. We're going to put this in the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit. Let me get it. Okay, now we're going to add a couple deals of squash to this. They're frozen, but they'll thaw while they're cooking in there. Okay, next we're going to put some cauliflower. We're going to dump the whole thing in here. Whole entire thing. There wasn't much left in there, so. Alright, it's a mess. But anyways, we're going to let this. Okay, I'm going to put this. This is ready to go in the oven, and I'm going to put this to about 350. Okay, that's looking good right there. I want to kind of stir this in over here so all this gets under that liquid, because it wants to be in that liquid. That's where all the flavor's at. That meat's going to be so good. We're going to put this back in the oven and let it finish baking and stuff. Oh god, you can smell that. That meat's pretty much done already. See, look at that. Look at that white meat. Get that back under there so it gets all that flavor. And we'll come back. Okay, now we're going to do like a taste test on this. Look at that pork. It's just so tender. It's hard to get it on my. Look at that. Look at the beef. That's so good. A lot of good flavors. Very delicious. It's hot, but it's good. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to this channel, don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I want y'all to have a great day.